Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about law of constant proportion. It is given by Joseph Proust. Constant means definite proportion, or you can also say it fixed. Okay, so what is the statement of this law? A given compound always contain its component element in the fixed ratio by mass. So this is the statement. What is the meaning of this statement? Let's understand it by taking an example. So we are taking water as example here, H2O, and another example is CO2 we can take. So you can see here the mass of hydrogen is 1. So here we are taking you can see 2 hydrogen atoms, so it would be 2 units, and the mass of oxygen is 16 unit, and the molecular mass of water, you also know that it is 16 and 2, it would be 18 unit. Okay. So now the compound is H2O and its component element, that means those elements which are taking part in the formation of this compound, those are hydrogen and oxygen. So these component elements are in the fixed ratio by mass. So their masses are 2 unit and 16 unit. If we talk about the percentage, then it would be 2 out of 18 times 100, then it would be 11.1%, and 16 out of 18 times 100, it would be 88.9%. And if we talk about the ratio between the masses of hydrogen and oxygen, then we can see hydrogen 2 and oxygen is 16. So you can simplify it as 1:8. So this is the ratio of the masses of the hydrogen and oxygen in the water. Okay. If you talk about the carbon dioxide, CO2, mass of carbon is 12 and oxygen mass is 16, and here 2 oxygen atoms, so it would be 32. So 32 ratio 12 is to 32 is the ratio of carbon and oxygen in this compound. So you can simplify it by 4 3 is 12 into 4 8 is 32, 3:8, 3:8 ratio. Okay. So that means in the water there is 1 part of hydrogen and 8 parts of oxygen is there. Okay. And in the case of carbon dioxide, here you can see 3 part of carbon with 8 part of oxygen, and they are making carbon dioxide, CO2, as a given compound. So it doesn't mean that these two compounds always combine together in this ratio. They can form another compound if they combine in the different ratio. Like if I talk about the hydrogen and oxygen, then hydrogen and oxygen can make H2O2, hydrogen peroxide as well, but here the ratio is different. So that is why it is given that a given compound, that means if we talk about a fixed compound, a particular compound, then it contains its component element hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio by mass. So their masses will be always in the fixed ratio. Okay, that is 1:8 here in the case of water, and 3:8 here in the case of carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Thank you.